In this video, I'm gonna show you how to show seconds on the clock in Windows 11. So let's get started. If your PC is not up to date, you will need to install the latest Windows 11 updates before you can show seconds on the system tray clock. First, right click on the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Here you will find an option Taskbar Behaviors. Click on it to expand. This will display various settings. At the bottom of the list, there is an option Show Seconds in the System Tray Clock. Simply check the box to enable this feature, and immediately your system clock will also start showing the seconds. So that is how you can show seconds on the clock in Windows 11. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.